Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that everyone is talking about, intermittent fasting. But does it really work? And why does it work for some people but not for others? If you've ever tried intermittent fasting and ended up gaining all the weight back, or even more, stick around till the end, because I'm going to tell you the biggest mistake people make with intermittent fasting and how you can avoid it so it actually works for you. Let's get started. First, let's quickly break down what intermittent fasting actually is. Basically, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. And there are different ways to do it. The 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. The 5-2 method, where you eat normally 5 days a week and limit calories for the other 2 days. But here's the thing, intermittent fasting isn't just for weight loss. Studies show it may also help fight diseases like cancer because cancer cells rely on glucose for fuel. By fasting, you reduce glucose levels, which can weaken those cells. Pretty interesting, right? Alright, let's get to the point. The most common mistake people make when trying intermittent fasting. Trying to fast without preparing the body. I've heard so many people say, I tried intermittent fasting, but I ended up gaining all the weight back, even more than before. Sound familiar? This happens because their bodies weren't ready. If your metabolism isn't working properly, if you're addicted to sugar, or if you have thyroid issues, fasting can actually make things worse. Your body goes into survival mode, and as soon as you start eating again, it stores everything as fat. This is why intermittent fasting should not be the first step, it should be the last. So, how do you prepare your body for intermittent fasting? Here are the key steps. First, detox your body. Many people are addicted to sugar, bread, and sweets. The first step is to break free from these addictions so your body can function properly. Next, understand your body. Which foods make you gain weight? Which foods help you burn fat? Also, you need to know whether your nervous system is passive or active. This determines whether foods like red meat work for you or against you. Then, eliminate candida. Candida is a yeast that can disrupt your metabolism. Getting rid of it helps your body respond better to fasting. Support your thyroid. A healthy thyroid is essential for burning fat. Thyroid issues are often the hidden reason people can't lose weight. Get essential vitamins and minerals. Your metabolism needs the right nutrients. Key supplements can help kickstart it again. Lastly, improve sleep and mood. When your body gets quality sleep and your mood stabilizes, you'll finally have the energy to take on fasting without setbacks. Once you've completed these steps, your body is finally ready for intermittent fasting. After preparing your body, now you're ready to start intermittent fasting. Start slow with something like a 12-12 schedule, 12 hours of eating, 12 hours of fasting. Then, you can gradually move to longer fasting windows like 14-10 or 16-8. You'll notice that the cravings for sweets and bread will fade, you'll sleep better, and you'll have more energy throughout the day. But remember, intermittent fasting isn't a race, it's a process, and if you do it right, the results will last. And there you have it. The biggest mistake when doing intermittent fasting is not preparing your body, but now you know exactly how to avoid it. Tell me in the comments. Have you tried intermittent fasting? How did it go? Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content on health and metabolism, and share this video with someone who's thinking about trying intermittent fasting. Thanks for watching. Remember, the truth always wins. See you next time.